y'all? If you're new here, I'm Mykia. Welcome to my channel. On my channel, you can find a variety of content. I post millennial home ownership videos. I also do reviews and hauls, and I do luxury unboxings. So if you're interested in any of those topics, make sure you subscribe. Before we even get started in this video, subscribe. And let's get right into it. So today's video is going to be a Fear of God Essentials haul. I have recently been on an Essentials kick, and I've purchased a few Essentials items. So I just want to share them with you guys, let you guys know where I got them from, how much they cost, and how they fit. This was actually my first time purchasing from Essentials. I have never had any Fear of God merch or anything in the past. So I was really excited to get these items. And the first thing that I got was this gray hoodie. And as you can see, this hoodie is super oversized. One, because this was my first Essentials purchase, so I didn't know that all this stuff was super big. Essentials is a unisex brand, so of course it can fit men and women. And yeah, this is one of those items where I got it and it's huge. But I mean, it's not too bad. I actually wore this and it was actually really cute. I wore some leggings and my Balenciaga track sneakers. I'll insert a picture in the video. And the look came together even though the hoodie was really big. I got this hoodie from Pacsun and this was $90. This is a size extra large. I definitely could have went large, even medium if I wanted like the perfect fit, but large still would have given me that oversized look. But extra large is definitely like a little bit bigger than what I was looking for. With Pacsun and Fear of God, you cannot return to Pacsun. So that's why I just went ahead and made this hoodie work, because I couldn't return. And then also, it's always sold out, so I wasn't going to return it anyways. If all else fails, I was just going to try to sell it. But it still worked out. It's really cute. And I'll post the pictures of how I wore it. Okay, so the next hoodie that I got is this chocolate brown hoodie. This is actually my favorite. Oh my gosh. This color is literally everything. And this one isn't just a crew neck. It actually is a hoodie. It has a hood and it has the pocket right down in the front. I got this one from SSense. And I got this one in a size large. So as you can see, the large is still oversized, but it isn't nearly as big as the extra large. But it still gives me like that oversized fit. So I think that this one is a perfect size. If I went with a medium, of course it would fit, but it wouldn't give me like that slouchy, like loungewear type of look. So I got this one in a large, and I got this from SSense, and this one was $90. This is actually my favorite one out of the whole haul. One, because it's brown and I'm a brown skin girl. So this color just complements my skin so well. And it's just perfect. Like, so cute. I actually wore this one and I'll insert the pictures here. And the pictures on my Instagram. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And everybody was asking like, where you get that from? So yeah, SSense. This is like my third time shopping on SSense. They have some really good stuff. And the shipping literally is so fast, y'all. Like when I say you order today, your order will be here tomorrow. Like that's what I mean. So I do love that, because I'm one of those people who, if I order something, I want that joint the next day. They do only have one shipping method, and the shipping is $12. That kind of throw me off, because I mean the hoodie is expensive enough. Like nobody wants to pay $12 for shipping. But nevertheless, I wanted it, so I paid the money. But yeah, this is cute. And I really did like the fast shipping for the website, so I can vouch for them. So the next thing I got is this black on black long sleeve Essentials t-shirt. And I forgot to show y'all the detailing on the hoodies, but all of them have like that Essentials logo on the back or on the arm. And I got these gray sweatpants to go with it. And the sweatpants also has the Essentials right there on the crotch part. And it also has the Essentials on the leg. I got the shirt in a size large. So as you can see, it fits perfect. It still has like that oversized look, but it isn't like too big. And the sweatpants fit really good too. I'll show you guys those. The last thing that I got is these black Essentials leggings. I got these from Pacsun. And okay, with these, I read the reviews and everybody was saying they're so big, they're so huge, size down 2 sizes. Oh, I love them, but they're falling off. So I was like, okay. They said size down, you know, size down 2 sizes. So I usually would get an extra large, so I went medium. fail. These are too small. These are too small. I feel like I need a large. They just like tight on my calf area, and I don't really like that. But they do feel like very good material. They're like nice, and you know, they're pretty decent. These are kind of pricey though. I feel like for some leggings, for them to be $80, that's just a little, you know, like OD. They aren't super thick. I mean, I feel like, I can't see through them, so that's a good thing. But yeah, $80 for a pair of leggings is kind of expensive. But I got these, and I also bought a hoodie for my mother. I don't want to take out the package yet because it's for her, but it's an all black on black hoodie, and I'm gonna give her the black leggings too, so she's gonna be really excited about that. Okay, now here are the sweatpants, y'all. These are a size large, and I paid $90 for these. But look how, you know, tight they are. I mean, I am a thick girl, so yeah. I probably could have went extra large, but then they would have been fitting really big. So these are the sweatpants. They are really comfy. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. I know it wasn't nothing too long, but I'm really feeling this essentials gear, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Let me know your thoughts. Is this too basic for you, or would you purchase some essentials too? I hope I answered all you guys' questions. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comments below. And until next time, guys, peace.